In this short video, I'm going to be covering messaging, specifically group messaging inside of As You Learn. And if you are an instructor, you probably already have several ways to communicate with your class, and this may not be an avenue that you'll need. But if you allow this and there's a setting that you have to check as an instructor, this might be something that your students could use very well to communicate with those in the groups that you've established in As You Learn. And part of the emphasis for showing this process is the recent release and popularity of our As You Learn app. So this is the desktop environment that I'm showing you in this video, but this works very well in the As You Learn app. And this is my messaging page, and you'll notice that I've got private messages to individuals. I've got areas to search for contact. I could even star some, but I have a group area here. And this is an area where I can click on this and I can send a message out to others in my group, and it goes out. And again, this is something that works pretty well inside of the mobile app environment. Now I can get to this by toggling this little message drawer, or I can get to my messages by coming down here, clicking on my menu and coming down here to messages here. But the key part of this is the way that the groups are set up. So I'm going to go into my participants area. I'm going to now go to the groups that I've set up in the course. And down here for group G21, I have 2 people in here, so I'm sending this out as a message. This only works if you are a member of a group. So as an instructor, you're not a member of a specific group inside the course. You would actually need to put yourself in these groups in order to see this option. But when I'm setting up the group, what I would need to do is to check a box that would allow the members of this group to communicate with each other. So right here is my G22, edit group settings, scroll down slightly, and then group messaging is right here. And if I click on yes and I save changes, that means anyone that I put inside this group, they would see this group option here. So that's a quick look at group messaging inside of As You Learn. Maybe not the game changer for faculty that might attract people to this, but for students, this might encourage more effective group work and might be something you want to check out.